It's day two of Nvidia's blockbuster GTC conference. CEO Jensen Huang is set to give a keynote. That'll be later in the day. As you see, shares of Nvidia down about 3% right now. Christina Partsinevelos is here, and she's also there. That means in San Jose, and she has the latest for us. Christina.
Yes, here in San Jose, 900-plus companies, 15,000 people expected. Right behind me, gathering in the stadium, which is normally used for concerts and NHL games. While Wall Street isn't expecting any bombshell news coming from Jensen Huang in his keynote, he'll be showing off definitely some exciting new chips. The Blackwell Ultra GPU drops later this year for handling those massive AI models, followed by the Rubin architecture in 2026, which would include CPUs and GPUs. Plus, he's already teasing what could come after that, maybe the Rubin Ultra, which all would require liquid cooling, something that may be discussed. We'll also get some news on some networking product updates with possible incorporation of co-packaged optics to help make data movement more efficient in AI systems. We'll definitely hear about robotics, humanoid robotics, quantum computing too, but the immediate revenue impact will be minimal. So you have to keep that in mind. But the big question for a lot of investors right now is, will there actually be enough demand for all of these new chips, especially on the annual cadence that they're coming out? That's why you do have Jensen Huang, CEO, really talking up AI inferencing as the next major growth area. Nvidia customers as well are deploying so much AI capital and compute today that those customers should enter a digestion period, something we need to consider, or a cyclical downturn, as Truist wrote in a note this morning. And there's also one major unaddressed risk, which is the mid-May implementation of Titan U.S. export controls. Those controls require licenses for GPU clusters of a certain size in Tier 2 countries like Singapore, for example. And the approvals could take about a year for them to get, which means they wouldn't be buying as many chips as quickly. And then there's also concern about any future bans on NVIDIA's H20 chips to China. So Wall Street is definitely, excited for this, watching signs for that NVIDIA can really maintain AI dominance despite all of these regulatory hurdles, and that's something that will affect the stock price in the coming month, I should say. Guys?
I do wonder how much of it is what he says on demand and how much is just the macro environment. It's been sort of risk-off unwind of tech, tariff concerns, policy concerns. It'll be interesting to see, Christina. Thank you very much. We'll look for a lot more coverage from you all day long. Quick programming note, we're going to get more from NVIDIA CEO.